Guess the animal. Series 1 Quiz 27. Fast animals. Are you a fast animal expert? Fast animals are incredible examples of nature's design, each adapted to reach high speeds for survival. Whether soaring through the sky like the peregrine falcon or sprinting across the savanna like the cheetah, these animals rely on their speed to hunt, escape predators, or travel vast distances. Marine animals like the black marlin and sailfish use their speed to navigate the ocean quickly, while land animals such as the pronghorn antelope and ostrich have evolved to outrun threats. Speed is their superpower, finely tuned for survival in the wild. Let's play the fast animal quiz now. Guess the animal. Peregrine falcon can dive at speeds of over 240 miles per hour, 386 kilometers per hour, making it the fastest bird and animal in the world. Guess the animal. Golden eagle, known for its hunting dives, reaching speeds up to 150 miles per hour, 241 kilometers per hour. Guess the animal. White-throated needletail, the fastest bird in level flight, clocking in at 105 miles per hour, 169 kilometers per hour. Guess the animal. Frigate bird soars at speeds up to 95 miles per hour, 153 kilometers per hour, using strong winds to glide. Guess the animal. Brazilian free-tailed bat, the fastest flying mammal, reaching 99 miles per hour, 160 kilometers per hour. Guess the animal. Cheetah, the fastest land animal, capable of running at speeds up to 60-70 mile per hour, 97-113 kilometer per hour, in short bursts. Guess the animal. Pronghorn antelope can run at speeds of 55 miles per hour, 88 kilometers per hour, for long distances, making it the second fastest land mammal. Guess the animal. Springbok jumps and runs at speeds of up to 55 miles per hour, 88 kilometers per hour, to escape predators. Guess the animal. Blue wildebeest can run at speeds up to 50 miles per hour, 80 kilometers per hour, during migration or when chased by predators. Guess the animal. Lion, the fastest big cat after the cheetah, reaching speeds of 50 miles per hour, 80 kilometers per hour, in short bursts. Guess the animal. Black marlin, the fastest marine animal, swimming at speeds of 82 miles per hour, 132 kilometers per hour. Guess the animal. Sailfish, known to swim at speeds of 68 miles per hour, 110 kilometers per hour, making it one of the fastest fish in the ocean. Guess the animal. Thomson's gazelle reaches speeds of 50 miles per hour, 80 kilometers per hour, and uses agility to evade predators. Guess the animal. Greyhound, the fastest dog breed, running at speeds up to 45 miles per hour, 72 kilometers per hour. Guess the animal. Horse, quarter horse, the fastest breed of horse in short sprints, reaching speeds of 55 miles per hour, 88 kilometers per hour. Guess the animal. Ostrich, the fastest bird on land, running at 45 miles per hour, 72 kilometers per hour. Guess the animal. Hare can run at speeds up to 45 miles per hour, 72 kilometers per hour, making it faster than most predators. Congratulations! You are now a fast animal expert. Are you ready for the next quiz? Like and subscribe for more fun games. Now let's play the next quiz.